Hi students, welcome to Shekhar's history classes. We are discussing about UPSC previous year questions. In this video, we will discuss about this question. It is a question related to Sanskrit literature and Sanskrit grammar. It was given in 2020. If we know the evolution of Sanskrit grammar, then we can answer this question very easily. And in future also, if UPSC asks any question on Sanskrit grammar, you can answer easily. Let us see now. The first known Sanskrit grammarian in ancient history was Panini. Panini, based on historical writings and references, Panini was living in this area. Panini, time period is around 5th century or 4th century BC. Observe here, this is also the region of early Vedic period. In early Vedic period, the language used by Rigveda was Sanskrit. This Sanskrit, however, there is a huge difference between this Sanskrit used in early Vedic period and later in the Gupta period. The capital of Guptas, Pataliputra. Guptas, they tried to control almost entire northern India and up to south. They had a court in Ujjaini also. So in Ujjaini also very famous during Gupta time period. Pataliputra was the capital. Ujjaini also acted as second capital for Gupta period. Now Ujjaini is famous for Navaratnas maintained by Chandragupta II. We are talking this about Gupta time period. Gupta time period is 4th century AD. In 300s, Gupta era started with 320 AD. 319 AD or 320 AD is recorded as the beginning of Gupta era. Now you observe, Guptas also patronized Sanskrit. The Sanskrit used during Gupta time period was called classical Sanskrit. This is the classical age, hence Gupta age is also called as classical age with respect to Sanskrit literature. The language used during early Vedic period can be called as pre-classical. Pre-classical Sanskrit was the language used during early Vedic period and later Vedic period also. Panini, he comes in between pre-classical age and classical age. So we can say he acted as a bridge between pre-classical to classical by compiling grammar. He organized the grammar, whatever so far existing in the Sanskrit language, then he compiled proper grammar. This becomes so popular that the people who were following Sanskrit grammar took Panini's grammar as the reference. Now what is the book written by Panini? That is Ashtadhyayi. Now we see these are important facts. These are the questions come in examination. Panini, time period is 5th or 4th century BC. Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi was the book written by Panini. Now what is the question here? Panini is associated with Pushyamitra Shunga. Pushyamitra Shunga time period is, what is the time period of Pushyamitra Shunga? He comes after Mauryas. Mauryas means after Mauryas, 185 BC is the time period when Pushyamitra Shunga established Shunga dynasty by dethroning Mauryan emperor. Last Mauryan emperor Brihadrada, he was killed by Pushyamitra Shunga. Pushyamitra Shunga was commander in chief of Brihadrada. These developments took place in 185 BC. So Panini is associated with Pushyamitra Shunga. This statement goes wrong. 1 goes wrong. If we eliminate 1, then these two options go wrong. Now only we have 2 and 3, 3 only. Now let us see. Second one, Amarasimha is associated with Harshavardhana. Panini's grammar is Ashtadhyayi. The next important one was Katyayana. Katyayana, he also one of the important grammarians. The time period, exact time period is we do not know, but he comes in between Panini and next Patanjali. Patanjali time period is 2nd century BC. He is the contemporary of Pushyamitra Shunga. He is the contemporary of Pushyamitra Shunga. Now, if we see the options, Panini is associated with Pushyamitra Shunga. No, actually not Panini. His Patanjali is associated with Pushyamitra Shunga. So they replaced Patanjali with Panini. Now this statement also came. This also came. Next, when it comes to Gupta age, these people are grammarians. By this time period, by the time period of Gupta age, the Sanskrit grammar reached very high level. It became classical language. Many poets, they have written their literates, their works in Sanskrit language. So many works developed during Gupta time period. One important related to Sanskrit grammar was Amarakosha. It was a dictionary of Sanskrit. It was written by Amarasimha. He was in the court of Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II, we mentioned, Chandragupta II maintained Navaratnas, 9 gems in his court. One of his 9 gems was Amarasimha. Another important literate or another important poet was Kalidasa. Kalidasa was another important poet in one of his 9 gems. Now what is the option here? Amarasimha is associated with Harshavardhana. This statement also goes wrong. Amarasimha is associated with Chandragupta II. He is one of the Navaratnas. This also gone. Now Kalidasa is associated with Chandragupta II. This is the right statement. So answer is C. This also goes wrong. Harshavardhana. When it comes to Harshavardhana, one poet is associated with Harshavardhana. He was Banabhatta. Banabhatta has written Harshacharita. We know details about Harshavardhana from Harshacharita. So Banabhatta is associated with Harshavardhana, whereas Amarasimha is associated with Chandragupta II. So only option 3 or statement 3 is the right one, and option is C. Answer is C. If we know this one, then we can easily answer in future also with respect to Sanskrit grammar. Start with Panini. Panini is considered as the first grammarian. So far, we don't have any evidence who has written grammar before Panini. So Panini is the beginning point, 5th to 4th century, Ashtadhyayi. Now Patanjali's book was Mahabhashya. This also can be a question. This also can be a question. And this Mahabhashya is commentary. It is a commentary on both Ashtadhyayi, Panini's work, and also Katyayana's work. Because of this, before Patanjali, we know about Katyayana, and before Katyayana, Panini was there. So Panini, Katyayana, Patanjali. So it is the evolution of Sanskrit grammar. Ashtadhyayi, Mahabhashya, Amarasimha or Amarakosha. These 3 are related to Sanskrit grammar. This question is about Sanskrit grammar. Kalidas is associated with Chandragupta too. So this is the answer. Option C is the right answer. Thank you.